Today, Nicole and Logan, with happy hearts, are here to commit to each other all that they are and will be, to bond together in a way only those in love can do, to share their dreams and cares and journey through life together as partners.
Logan, I can't believe the day is finally here. After 7 years of loving you, I finally get to become your wife. From the very beginning, I knew this was the kind of love that would last forever. I vow that I will always work for us, fight for us, and choose us every single day. I'm so proud of the man you've become. You're a patient, kind, caring, and the most dependable person I know. The life we are building together are more beautiful than I could have ever imagined, and I cannot wait to continue building that life with you.
I vow to walk beside you through every season of life, praying with you, supporting your goals, and always reminding you of how loved and valued you are. Because to me, you're the most beautiful woman I've ever met, inside and out. I promise to care for you and always be there for you. I promise to always make decisions together, because I know I haven't always been the best at that, but I want you to know I want to grow with you and always face life hand in hand.
You're my best friend, my soulmate, my everything. I promise to support your dreams the same you've always supported mine, and I promise to stand beside you through whatever life brings us. I love you so much, and I cannot wait to grow old with you.
No matter where life takes us, I will continue choosing you every single day and keep God at the center of our relationship, and I will always love you and cherish you forever.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Eyes open wide and the world is before us.
We all know Logan isn't exactly shy. We get to Nicole's apartment and I look over and this man, he's already got his arm around her sitting on the couch. The next day, Nicole asked me, "Who's that weird guy you brought over?" Well, Nicole, that weird guy is now your husband.
One of the greatest comforts as her friend is knowing she has found someone who loves her as fully and wholeheartedly as she deserves, and like I do. I am so glad she has found a lifelong partner in crime, confidant, and biggest supporter. I couldn't imagine a more perfect match today, and I feel so lucky to stand beside you both. So if everyone could please raise their glasses to having the happiest, most loving, caring, and kind marriage that only grows stronger with time. To the Potters.
For the last 7 minutes that your heart stops beating, your brain continues to function and plays these memories and reels. You guys are definitely my 7 minutes. Nicole, today is just a formality. You've been my daughter for years already. Laughing at my dad jokes obviously helped. So raise your drink for a toast, and this is to some ships are made of wood, those ships might sink. The best ships are friendships. To those we drink. Congratulations.